Alright guys, so just a quick little video of what I'm doing today. You can see I have trim here. This is all from an M Sport E90. I will be putting this on my car. So this, you see how shiny it is? This is how it's supposed to look. Like nice and glossy, like gloss black. Unfortunately, coming from a car that sat in the sun for way too long, it's like, you can see I started cleaning this one up a little bit. But it just instantly glows to like, oh, it doesn't even look that bad. Let me see this one. Yeah, there we go. I've already started working on this one, but the one behind it, these are all door trims. They're all the same, off the same car. Look, just look how dull that is. So today I will be using some of that. I have the other pieces, I just didn't bring them up with me. I wanted to test to see if it was going to work first. But as you can see, it's already working pretty well. So I'm going to go ahead and finish polishing all these up. Just got the end to do this one. And what's crazy is I have, you know, the full trim set, and the top wasn't that bad, and even these aren't that bad, but I'm just gonna go ahead and polish it because, you know, I'm here, why not? But yeah, and all I'm gonna be using is this and the rag that it's laying on. Just use this so you guys can see the contrast a little bit better. Yeah, it's pretty crazy though. Would have never thought a little bit of polish would make that big of a difference. Out, but these are the window trims that are gloss black. They go underneath each window. I have all four of them. I do have the big B pillar, and it's not C pillar, but what goes on the back window. I'll show you now when I pull the car in. I do have those. I'm not going to install them yet because I have to take the door cards back out, but I will be installing these today, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So let me go grab the car. Those trim pieces are going to go right here and here and on the other side. I installed the top gloss black part already. I'm gonna repolish this out just to clean it up a little bit more, but just the difference that it makes is crazy. I mean, just look at the chrome, look at this. Then I did do these two. Unfortunately, one of them has a huge rock chip here, so I need to get another one of those, and I need to get, this is the other part I was talking about, that little black piece. I called it a C pillar, but it's not, so I need to get this as well. But once I get this, and this, all OEM gloss black trim, and I mean, look how nice this looks compared to this. I mean, hold on, look at it from this angle, so much nicer. Alright, so before I start, just want to give a quick shout out to Justin Bruce. If it wasn't for him, I probably would have torn up my paint and trying to get the window trim off. So pretty simple. All you need is a, cover that up. Just need a plastic card of some sort. Just pop it up. It's actually pretty straightforward. So let me show you. So get the door open right under here like this. So you definitely need two hands to do it, but you just get it right up and under. You just start prying up a little bit, and then it should just. Ow. Anyway, I got it up and under. Probably gonna use a screwdriver. So just like that. So you're just gonna get it up and under, push down like that. Don't want to ruin your seal, so just be gentle, be soft. So as you can see, I did just take the top trim off. I'm taking the whole trim out. So you just, oh well, of course now it wants to come out. That's fine. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and clean all this area off in here. You can see how just dirty it is. Just same thing with this. This is just filthy. So I'm gonna give all this a nice good clean, and then I'll install the black trim pieces. All right, so now that it's back together, you can see all you're gonna do. You should see this groove right here. Right here, this groove needs to go into that groove that's on the bottom of this. You can see it here. So once you put those grooves together, they should line back up, snap right back into place. So let me do that. It's in. I gotta figure this out. I need to see if I need to take that off or not. I noticed the new trim pieces have like this little clip on it, so I'll see if I need to take that off. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, it's installed. All right, so that little black clip right here that I was just talking about. So my original trim, which is pre-LCI, it came part of the rubber. On the LCIs, it comes with this little trim. Really easy, slides right into the hole. It's just probably newer technology or whatever, but it slid right in, and then literally it just snapped right into place. Like I didn't have to do much. I just finished pushing it down. I say, looks really, really clean. Very, very easy install. Glad I did it. Just chrome to that. Big difference. I mean, just look at it from like right here. Look at that there. Alright, take that in. Versus that there. I know it doesn't seem like a lot, but it really is a lot. Alright, for the front one, you need to take the mirror off. So right around here I was able just to pull off just a little bit. As you can see, expose the hardware to the mirror, which I'll be able to get to. I just got to move it around a little bit more, but they're in there. Once I get this off, I'll be able to do this. Alright, just want to show you guys what I did. So I just unscrewed it and left it hanging. It was just enough to get the trim out, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop the rest of the trim out now. But that's what I did. I didn't want to have to fully take this off because I feel like it's just gonna be a pain if I do. So that's gonna be the next step. I'm pretty sure I gotta leave this hanging anyway, but that's where it's sitting at for right now. Alright, all done. This was a little bit more, this was harder than I thought it was gonna be, but came out nice. All black window trim. Quick step versus the chrome. Huge difference. Gonna pull this out and do the other side now. So, alright, so excuse the dirty car. It's a little windy out here, but tell me that doesn't look 100 times better. All gloss black. All gloss black. I can't wait to do these next. And then tint the windows. This is Florida, you need tint. I'm crazy enough for driving around without tint as it is, but you need it. And then you come over to this side, and I mean, I know it doesn't seem like much, but that little bit makes such a big difference. Alright, that's another side done. Next up is this one. Alright, so all sides are done now. Front, back, this side. I'm gonna give a quick shout out to Kenny for the fancy the lighting work, you know. Shout out to the two iPhones.
There you go.
Yeah, look at this. I like that Kenny's keeping up. Looks good. Yeah. Until next time, guys. Appreciate it. Be sure to like, follow, and subscribe down below before I forget to say that. Y'all take it easy.